want to say things are tough, this word is for you. Because in Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have the word çətin. Çətin. Çətin is difficult, hard, or challenging. Let's see some phrases. A difficult task, hard choice, a challenging time. Çətin tapşırıq. Tapşırıq is an assignment, task. Çətin seçim. Seçim is a choice, is a derived word, come from the word seç, choose. Seçmek, to choose, seçim, choice. Çətin vaxt. Vaxt is time. Çətin vaxt, or hard time or challenging time. Let's use those in some sentences. Bu çətin tapşırığı sabah bitirəcəyik. Let's see. We will finish this difficult task tomorrow. Let's break it apart and then give you some tips and tricks how to pronounce. Bu çətin tapşırığı, this difficult task. Sabah bitirəcəyik. We will finish tomorrow. Now, tapşırıq is a task, assignment. Sabah, tomorrow. Bitirəcəyik. That's the word. Bitmek, to finish. Bitir, get it done, finish. Bitirəcək, will finish. Bitirəcəyik, we will finish. But when you want to sound native, you say bitirəcəyik. 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 Yeah, I don't think you will hear that. But bitirəcəyik, you will hear it more. Bu çətin tapşırığı sabah bitirəcəyik. Let's see another one. Bu çətin seçim hamını düşündürdü. This difficult choice made everyone think. Bu çətin seçim, this difficult choice. Hamını düşündürdü. Made everyone think. Düşündürmek. So, düşünmek, to think. Düşündürmek, make you think, basically. Düşündürdü, that's a past tense, made you think. Who? Hamını, everyone. Right? That was my way of using word çətin in Azerbaijani sentences and phrases. I have an easier one for you too. There's nothing çətin, only impossible that takes a little time. Believe in it and it will be true. If you want to learn Azerbaijani not çətin way, easy ways, check masterazerbaijani.com where I explore it deeper.